any idea at the moment how the cleaner actually got the infection? Did she actually clean the room where the first case was?
We've got an investigation happening at the moment that will go through all of those issues, because we need to, of course, work through how this occurred, if we can find out, so that it doesn't happen again, if anything has happened that we can stop. We've got to remember this is a very contagious virus, even before the new variant. And this variant is 70% more contagious. So I wasn't that surprised that our first breach was because of this virus. And other states have had multiple situations where they've had the virus escape from their quarantine hotel, and in most cases they've not been able to find out how that occurred. So I don't know if we'll find out how it occurred, but we're looking as hard as we can.
Strengthened once this more contagious virus was in hotel quarantine?
Protocols generally, yes, are currently being strengthened. So we've extended the time that we require someone to stay in isolation when they're confirmed to have this virus. So it's now going to be 14 days instead of the 10 days before. Now we've got to remember, and this is very complicated, so quarantine is when you don't have the disease. Right, and we require people to be in quarantine for 14 days from when they've been exposed. Right, so there's that. Then, once you've been confirmed to have the infection, prior to this new variant, we required people to be in isolation for 10 days or 3 days after they've had no symptoms, whichever is the longer. So we put that in place, and we have not seen in Australia a single outbreak related to that protocol. So early on we had tighter protocols till we worked out what was going on, and then we brought in that protocol and we've had no problems. Now we've got a new variant, so we have to review all those protocols, which we have. So we've immediately put in place that people must now remain in isolation for 14 days rather than 10 days, plus have an exit test. So that's now in place. It mightn't stay in place indefinitely. We will review and we will work out, but just again, that precautionary principle, we've put it in place immediately.